3 delicious egg recipes. 1. Scrambled eggs. Ingredients: 2 to 3 eggs, 1 to 2 tablespoons milk, optional, salt and pepper, 1 teaspoon butter or oil. Steps: crack eggs into a bowl. Add milk, salt, pepper. Whisk well. Heat butter in a pan over medium-low heat. Pour in eggs and gently stir with a spatula. Cook until soft and fluffy, about 3 to 4 minutes. Serve immediately. Tip: cook on low heat for creamier eggs. 2. Fried eggs, sunny side up. Ingredients: 1 to 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon oil or butter, salt and pepper. Steps: heat oil in a pan over medium heat. Crack egg directly into the pan. Cook until whites are set, about 2 to 3 minutes. Season and serve. Want over easy? Flip and cook 20 to 30 seconds more. 3. Boiled eggs. Steps: place eggs in a pot and cover with water. Bring to a boil. Once boiling, 4 to 6 minutes equals soft-boiled. 8 to 10 minutes equals hard-boiled. Transfer to cold water before peeling. Quick breakfast ideas. Eggs on toast. Add cheese for extra flavor. Serve with avocado or fruit. Make a breakfast sandwich. That's it. Some quick recipes for breakfast, lunch, or dinner.